Welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. Two different ways actually. Sometimes the App Store just doesn't cooperate. You forget your password or it just asks for extra info you don't have a handy. So no matter what situation you run into, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get WhatsApp updated. Method 1. Update through the App Store. Let's start with the easiest and most common method. First, exit WhatsApp and open the App Store on your phone. Tap the search tab at the bottom right corner, then type WhatsApp into the search bar and hit search. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger from the result. If you see an update button instead of open, just tap it, and within seconds your app will be updated with all the latest features. Method 2. Update through settings, but sometimes the app store gives you trouble. Maybe the update button isn't working, you have forgotten your app store password, or you simply want to clear out the apps at old cache and temporary files while you are at it. Open the setting app, scroll down and tap general, then select iPhone storage. Here you will see a full list of every app installed on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp and tap on it. Instead of updating directly, we are going to tap offload app. Reinstall the app. Here's why offloading is great. It clears out cache and temporarily files and free app storage, but keeps your documents and data intact, so you won't lose your messages or get logged out. Once that's done, just tap reinstall app. Notice something? It won't even ask you for your app store password this time. Head back to your home screen and you will see WhatsApp downloading and reinstalling the latest version automatically. Once installation is complete, open the app, and just like that you are still signed in. Simply tap continue and allow all if prompted, and you are all set. All your messages will be right where you left them, and WhatsApp will be running on the newest version. And that's a wrap. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.